Hey guys, this is Geek Out Everything, and today we're gonna be unboxing and a review of this Photron P10 Bluetooth speaker. And guys, later this Bluetooth speaker was selling around 1100 rupees, and now you can buy it from Amazon for rupees only 649. So that's a pretty good deal. So I thought let's do a review. And as you can see at the back of the box, we have some specs like micro SD card is supported, LED lights, and all that kind of stuffs. And at the back we have MRP, which is 1990 rupees, but you can get it from Amazon for rupees 649, which is almost $10. So yeah, the battery is 400 milliamp hour, so we'll check how the battery life is. And yeah, so this is the box itself. And guys, let me just open it. And guys, if you want to buy this Bluetooth speaker, then I'll have the link in the description below. Please use this link, it does help the channel out. So yeah, and this is the Bluetooth speaker that we have. Let me just keep this aside for a time being, and let's look at some stuff that we have. So this is a quick start guide. As you can see, pretty small little, yeah. And I think here we have a cable, and yeah, it looks to be pretty special cable, I think. So yeah, and on one end we have this aux cable, this 3.5 mm plug, and USB type A, and on the other end it's a micro USB plug that goes into your Bluetooth speaker itself, so you can charge it or use it as a aux. So yeah, and as you can see, this is the Bluetooth speaker itself, and yeah, the build quality seems to be good, and initial impressions are quite nice. And yeah, we have a Photron branding at the front, and the chamfered edges looks to be pretty good, I have to say. And this metal top is its top is made up of metal itself, so that's pretty good. And yeah, so guys, now if I talk about the build quality and looks of this Bluetooth speaker, and I'm using it for more than 4 weeks. So in terms of the looks and build quality, I don't have any problem. As you can see, the build quality seems to be really good, as it made up of metal, and we have a metal at the top as well. And we have this sticky rubber at the bottom, so if you put it on a desk or something like that, it will just stuck there, so that's a good thing. And guys, if I talk about the buttons, then we have a 4 buttons: mode, play, pause, and a volume button that you can single tap to change the songs, and long press to increase the volume. And we have a mic as well to take or end calls, and a power button, and we does have a micro USB port, so if you want to play a songs via micro SD card, then you can do that. And a charging port, which is micro USB port, that also used for aux input, so that's a good thing. And we have some power information at the back. So guys, now let's turn it on and let's try to connect it. And as you can see, we have this beautiful blue light. So yeah, so guys, as you can see, it's saying Bluetooth is already on, so let's connect it. And as you can see, it's already connected, the Photron P10 Bluetooth speaker. And yeah, so let's play some music. So guys, if I talk about the sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker, then I have to say, considering the size of the Bluetooth speaker, the sound quality is really good, and it is not that much loud, but it is loud enough as compared to its size, because the sound that I'm getting is really good. But guys, on the high volumes, yeah, I know it's not that much of high quality, so it does distort a little bit, not that much, so you will feel a little bit of distortion at a full volume. So, and guys, if you want a really good sound quality, or I have to say bass, then you have to put it somewhere like on desk, so you'll get that bass if you put it on your desk. So yeah, overall the sound quality is really good, the vocals are highlighting, it's not like the bass is that much high. So yeah, in terms of sound quality, I'm loving the sound quality, I have to say. And yeah, so guys, this is for this video now. And if you want a really good portable Bluetooth speaker, then I have to say this Bluetooth speaker is really good for you. Yeah, you it's not that much big that you can do a little party with it, but yeah, it does the job if you want to watch some YouTube videos with your friends or something like that. Because if you want to hear music, then I have to say the bass is not that much high. So if you like more bass, so it's not gonna happen. But yeah, considering the size of this Bluetooth speaker and the price, the sound quality is really good. So yeah, this is for this video now. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you dislike, you know what to do. But if you like, then get subscribed. Please hit the subscribe button down below, guys. I'll be really helpful if you do that. And yeah, goodbye, peace.